What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Yesterday in the state of Unreal, Epic released the preview version of Unreal Engine 5.4 with new features. So today we are going to be checking the most important ones out. Let's begin with the first thing that they showcased at the GDC, nanite tesselation. This allows nanite meshes to be modified at runtime using a displacement map or procedural material. Nanite displacement tessellates the mesh at runtime into additional triangles to conform to the detail of the displacement map. This is crazy. So now this will enable much more detail with better performance using nanite and displacement maps. Then for VDB volumes in 5.4, the focus has been to provide shadow casting support, which makes them look 100 times better, as you can see. Then we have one of the coolest things in my opinion, which is motion matching. This will make your local motions 10 times smoother and more realistic, as it blends different layers and animations together. They actually released a free sample pack in the marketplace, which you can check out. This has also been already used in Fortnite in the previous season. We also have modular control rig, which utilizes the entire framework of control rig for building robust animation rigs that are ready to be animated on any skeleton instantly. Like, you literally can drag and drop rig models into your mesh. That's it, as simple as that. On top of that, we have the automatic animation retargeting. Finally, after all that time manually creating bone chains, now we can just press a button and it will automatically create the IK rig and retargeter, saving us a lot of time. Overall, the editor's performance has been significantly improved for compilation and shaders on nanite. So basically, it's just way faster.
You name it, we made it faster.
Also, large world coordinates on the GPU has been improved. Now your player characters can go further away from the world origin and no vibrations will occur. Then we also have a lot of features for UFN, like being able to introduce metahumans, have Marvelous designer for free, and much more. Physics-based characters will also be now a thing by default for the third-person character movement component, as it has been improved with networking simulations and more, which is already being used in Fortnite. There are many more features, but this was a quick video covering the main ones. If you found the video helpful, I would really appreciate it. You can like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so check them out. Join my Discord server, follow me on my socials. Now yes, with all said, bye bye.